Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone of your working hours inside HubSpot in case your schedule shifted or you're managing teams across different regions. It's super simple, so let's jump right in. First, go ahead and sign into your HubSpot account. If you're already logged in, you can skip this part. Otherwise, just enter your email and password like usual. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner and click your profile picture. Yeah, the little circle icon. From that drop-down, choose Profile and Preferences. Inside your preferences, check the left-hand menu. Scroll a bit if you need to, and click on General. Under that, you'll see a section called Calendar and Scheduling. That's where your working hours live. Now find the time zone dropdown. HubSpot auto-detects it, but you can change it to whatever matches your new working hours. Maybe you're moving or your remote teams in a different region. Just pick the time zone you want from the list. Right under the time zone, you'll see your weekly working hours. Click any day to customize your start and end times. You can add multiple ranges or turn a day off entirely. Adjust everything so it reflects your actual schedule. When everything looks good, scroll down a bit and hit Save. HubSpot updates your time zone instantly, so your meetings, links, and bookings all use the new time. And that's it. Your HubSpot working hours and time zone are all set. If you're adjusting schedules often, yeah, this is definitely the spot you'll come back to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.